Is gotinspirational.com really the bold, faith-filled platform it claims to be, or is it just another trendy store using attitude and aesthetic to drive sales? With eye-catching statement tees, unapologetic mugs, and a fierce blend of Christianity and confidence, it definitely knows how to stand out. But how does it hold up beyond the branding? The site's been active since 2020, which is already a promising sign when so many pop-up shops vanish within months. It's also proudly Black woman-owned, with full founder transparency, something rarely seen in the world of fast fashion e-commerce, and even boasts over $1 million in reported sales. These details give the brand a solid layer of legitimacy. Add to that a real business address, listed customer service contact, and apps available on both the App Store and Google Play, and you start to see the bones of a genuine operation. However, the mobile apps have surprisingly low download numbers, which may suggest that most customers still rely on the website or social media. And speaking of social platforms, gotinspirational.com is definitely active. Instagram and Facebook are filled with user engagement, brand updates, and loyal customers who resonate with its bold message. Still, not everything is perfect. While the mission and transparency are commendable, the branding can at times feel overly commercialized, and shoppers have occasionally expressed concerns about shipping speed and pricing versus quality. So, while there aren't glaring scam indicators, it's also not a flawless shopping experience. In the end, gotinspirational.com walks a tightrope between meaningful mission and influencer-driven marketing, making it a store that may be legit, but one you'll want to approach with balanced expectations.